Welcome back to the world of knowledge, that is the Bluebell Academy. Hope you are doing safe at home with your studies. My dear student, today we're going to have, by seeing this background, you may come to know that what we are going to learn. For that, we'll have the discussion on this little wider. Now, this poem you might have learned in detail with the depth in the class. With exam point of view, we'll discuss many things with regard to that one. This is the poem written by Ruskin Bond. Now we do have 6 paragraphs in this poem. Each and every paragraph is very important because in the annual examination it is been going to ask for the summary of this poem. I repeat once again, summary of this poem. In the earlier examination also, many times summary is also asked, only the summary is asked. By this we can hope that one, with the new pattern, we will be having the 3 marks summary. Earlier it was 4 marks asked, but this time it is for 3 marks only. For that reason, what are the things we have to keep in mind while writing in the examination or exam point of view? We'll go and I will highlight the important points we can see here with the explanation. Ruskin Bond is one of the British author or writer, very famous writer. He has written this poem in the memory of his grandma's geniusness. We can go with the first paragraph. We can see here I have highlighted with a green line, underlining by that important points. How many lines are there? There are 12 important lines I have already highlighted in that one. If you gonna remember these 12 lines, it is more than enough for the remembering of the summary, and you can have the point out for that one. By writing in the examination, you should keep in mind that point should be flow one by one. First paragraph, what is described, you do not write. You have to write that only one point, that one. Grandma is genius. Like this we'll go one by one and line by line. Here we'll go with the first stanza or that. My grandma is very genius. You would like to know why. The poet Ruskin Bond tried to explain that the beauty of grandma in the form of his geniusness, intelligence, brilliance and bravery. We can see here because she is a very genius. She could climb every tree which is spreading high and spreading long. She could be there branches in the trees, and mind you, when she last she climbed a tree, she was 62 years. Now, poet want to give the description that at the age of 60 also she is able to climb the trees. We can understand that the poet want to describe even by the reaching of the age of 60, all kind of branches and trees she gonna climb very easily. This is the clear point he want to explain. For hanging happier in the trees. Now, what kind of the life grandma want to spend on the trees? She felt happy staying at home than in the tree. We can understand the trees are very likely, and she is passionate about climbing the tree. We can understand in the first paragraph. Now we come to the second paragraph. We can two line we can pick from that first paragraph. Second paragraph you may have although as years went by, she would be told day by day surrounding the people. As she has grown old and old, she told that climbing a tree should stop when one grew old. We can say that when people surrounding staying with the respect to the environment and society, she was become old and how to stop the climbing of tree. This paragraph first 2 line describes, and one should be very disgraceful for climbing a tree, whereas grandma telling that she herself told that she is feeling graceful, happier to staying at normal way in the trees. That is, we can have the she could and growing old should be gone about the gracefully. She is feeling happy as growing old and climbing a tree. She feel proud herself. This paragraph explain that one. I can do it better. Now, not only she is herself stopped, she is telling that I can do it better rather than other people. She want to compare herself of climbing with respect to that. I can climb it very easily. Will I grow disgracefully? She want to tell. For in all the garden there wasn't a tree. Wherever tree she found, she can climb a tree very easily. By this paragraph, we come to know and conclusion that whichever type of the tree and wherever the type of the tree, she can climb very easily. That means she has become at the age of 60 also very expert in the climbing of any sort of or any kind of the tree. This is the second paragraph explained. Now what come to the 2 points you can take from that one. Third paragraph explains that she hadn't been up at one time or another, having learned to climb from a living. Now, no one tree left in and around wherever she goes. She goes at home or surrounding of her, all the trees she has tried, no one tree left which she has tried that one. Having learned this climb, very important point of this poem, I have underlined already. Having learned to climb from a loving brother, the most important, by whom the grandma has learned climbing of tree by his loving brother at the age of 6. We can understand, at the age of 6 only she has learned the climbing of tree by his brother. What happened once, that is, she climbed a tree and couldn't trip. Once she was climbed a tree at her native, but unable to come down easily. This is the most difficult task happens at once in her life. She has climbed very easily, but didn't come down the trees. For that reason, after the rescue, she was rescued, taken with the help of other people. That means she herself cannot get down from the tree which she has climbed. What happened? She was rescued, she was saved, she was taken from that tree. Now what happened? After that, she felt that the doctor, she felt ill, and for the doctor recommended, doctor told her not to climb a tree because she has a terrible fall and temperature of the body raises due to that fallens, and doctor strongly recommended, doctor told that you should be quite weak in the bed, you should be complete rest, 1 week rest in the bed. Doctor strongly recommended, doctor told that you should not climb any more trees in your life because you are grown and old and it is a disgraceful for you, that you should stop climbing the tree. Poor granny, what happened that? Poor granny, staying at home in this particular 8 days, she felt very bad. It has become hell to her. It is strongly confirmed her bedroom while very breeze, and it has become a what? Hell to her, whispered of summer, and she has missed some of the seasons, some of the important situations which she is going to enjoy the tree climbing. She has missed that one. Coming to the next paragraph, fourth paragraph, but she had held her peace till she left stronger. Now she had held her peace in the sense that she want to stay back at home, but she is not happy. Actually, where she is feeling happy, staying at the tree, she felt happy. Still she felt stronger. After that, she also feeling stronger. Then she sat up and said, one day she sat up and said, I will lie here no longer. I don't want to stay back on the bed. I don't want to stay back at home. I don't want to stay back myself without missing or without climbing a tree in simple. Now coming to the next line of this one. And she called for my father. Now, Ruskin Bond's father, author's father, Ruskin Bond father, she called one day that, oh my son, come here. That she asked. What she asked? She asked that, told him undoubted, without any hesitation. She told that, my son, I don't want to stay back more on the bed. I want to stay on the where? Tree, top of the tree. As this happened, what happened that one? But she had held her peace now, and she called her grandfather that a house. I want a house on the top of the tree. Kindly, or I am ordering you, please build a tree on the top of the build a house on the top of the tree, so that I can stay peacefully over there. This is not the right place. I'm not feeling happy staying at a home. Now she gone further. My dad knew his duties. Whose dad? Ruskin Bond's dad knew her duty, that I should follow my order of my mother, that she wanted to stay at a tree instead of on the bed. But as if now she is not in the status or condition of climbing the tree. Now she want a house at the top of the tree. He is the obedient son and he's tried to obey. Now what he has done, my dad knows that that's all right. He said, all right mom, I will build a home at the top of the tree. You will have what you want, dear. In the sense he's asking, I will not also build a tree on the top of the built a house on the top of the tree, but I will also give what you want, my dear. I will start working tonight. I will start working tonight. I will work on that one by today itself only. Last paragraph of this one. With my expert assistant, who's a Ruskin Bond's expert assistant, he soon finished the chore. Chore in the sense task. He has finished the task of building a house on the top of the tree. Made her tree house with windows and doors. It's not the simple tree. It is attractive and beautiful trees as the normal beautiful house as normal. It is building a door and as well as the house trees, windows also there. So granny moved up and down every day. She can move up every day very easily. I climbed to her room with the glasses and tray. He is a son, obedient son. You want to saying that I can climb to that house very easily with that tray in the sense keeping glasses in that one, taking to that one with the support of that one. She sits there and she sits there in the state and drinks sherry in the sense a kind of wine. In the sense it's a western style poem. They want to drink the hot drinks, wine we can call it, hot drinks. For that reason they drinks a sherry with me, upholding her right to reside in the tree. It is a right. She has having the right to enjoy herself at the end of her life or at the age of her life. She want to enjoy that one. That is in simple. He is obedience. He is the obedient son. He is the obedient son of his he's the obedient son of his mother, and he has done whatever requires for that one. My dear student, as per the examination point of view, I have made you already that there are in and around 12 important lines. I have underlined that one. You may go with that one, underline points that one by one steps to be followed, so that it is easy for the evaluator to check your paper and get the good number of marks. Summary is to be the 3 marks this time, probably 4 might it may be your like. This is the there is no clear cut idea or pattern system. We can do that one. Thanks for watching with this one. Stay tuned for the next poem. Thank you.